Hello everyone, my name is Ramsey Anyelo from grade 6, section Pre-9. Today we're going to learn about multiplying decimals. We have here an example. 0 and 36 hundredths multiplied by 0 and 22 hundredths. In multiplying decimals, you multiply it like how you multiply whole numbers. Disregard the decimal point. So let's start. 2 times 6 is equals to 12. Carry 1, bring down 2. 2 times 3 is equals to 6. 6 plus 1 is equals to 7. 2 times 6 is equals to 12. 12. Carry 1, bring down 2. 2 times 3 is equals to 6. 6 times 6 plus 1 is equals to 7. Now let's add. Bring down 2. 7 plus 2 is equals to 9. Bring down 7. We have 792, but that's not yet the answer. Remember that in multiplying decimals, the total number of decimal places in the factor should be the same in the product. So let's count the decimal places in the factor. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's put 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's put the dot here, the decimal point here, and let's put a 0 over here and here.
Oh.
Answer is 0, 0, 7, 9, 2. So that is how you multiply decimals. Thank you for watching.